Hey everyone, today I'm going to take you on a tour of the SeaWorld Explorer in Nassau, Bahamas. And I also did my own walking tour through the downtown area of Nassau. Hope you enjoy. About to take a tour on the SeaWorld Explorer in Nassau, Bahamas. Just got off my ship, Jewel of the Seas. Here we go. After you take a short tour on the boat, then you arrive to the semi-submarine.
Water. The Bahamian waters, it is not blue, it is not green, it is not aquamarine. The Bahamian waters, it is crystal clear. It's just the vegetation from the bottom that gives it the color to the top. But there is no distinct colors of our waters. The Bahamian secret is there's no big manufacturing companies. So no big factories, we have no pollution. The area that you're riding through this morning, this is called the Sea Garden. It is a marine protected area. That means there are no fishing, there are no diving, there are no sparing in this area.